Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power, unplug the Hitachi AC and turn off the breaker, safety first. Once done, check the indoor unit's display and note the steady or blinking yellow light pattern because that indicates either filter, sensor, or communication fault. Make sure to photograph connections and the error pattern for reference. Next, remove the front panel according to the manual and gently pull out the filter. You're beginning the diagnostic flow, not guessing. Keep tools at hand and take your time. You now address the common causes. Once the filter is out, vacuum loose dust and wash reusable filters. Dry them completely before returning them. Then, inspect the room temperature sensor and wiring harness. Loose pins or corrosion often cause the yellow light. Make sure to follow connectors gently and photograph wire positions. Next, test incoming power at the PCB with a multimeter to confirm correct voltages if readings are off. The control board or transformer may be at fault. Document everything carefully for reassembly. You finish by reassembling the front panel and reinstalling the clean filter. Make sure all connectors are seated as photographed. Once done, restore power and perform the unit's reset procedure, usually power cycle or reset button. Then run the AC for 10 to 15 minutes while watching for the yellow light. If the light stays off, you're done. If it returns, try swapping the suspected sensor or wiring. Otherwise, call a certified technician. One key troubleshooting tip: log error patterns, steady.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.